Hello friends, welcome to another video session on Tabular Editor. In this video session I am going to show you how do you format all the DAX measures in a single click of a button. So we have many DAX measures there, and I would like to have these DAX measures which are actually calculating the percentage to have the formatting as percentage. Right now if I select one measure, you can see it's decimal number with two decimals, but I would like to have them shown as a percentage. So let's head over to Tabular Editor and see how we can change the formatting of these DAX measures in the advanced scripting. So we have to go to advanced scripting. So we have all these DAX measures in the measure underscore measures table. So we are going to use only the selected measures to format them percentages here. So I'm going to write selected dot. So I'm going to have all my measures there, plural, and then dot format string equal to double quotes. I would like to have percentages with one decimal, and it should be formatted as a percentage. So let's run this. Let's select all the DAX measures because we are using the selected there, selected option. So I'm going to select all the DAX measures and then run the script. So you can see that we don't see any changes here for the DAX measures because we have to apply these changes onto the we have to save these changes, whatever the changes that we did, formatting changes, to the model. So I am going to save this. So once we save this, now you can go back and see that we have all the DAX measures formatted to one decimal place. Similarly, you can have the percentages without decimals as well. So I'm going to remove the decimal and then run the script. And then I have to save these changes to the model. And then when I go to Power BI step, you can see that I have percentage without decimals there. You can also have a display folder where you can place all the percentage measures into a display folder. So you can use selected dot measures dot display folder equal to percentages. So this is going to create a percentages folder under the underscore measures table, and all the percentage measures will be going into it. So if I want to run only this command line, I'm going to select that and I'm going to run this on the selected measures. And when I run the script, you can see that the percentage folders are percentage folder has been created and all the DAX measures have been put into it. You will not see this change reflecting here until you save this change to the data model. So you have to save this change to the data model. So once you save this change, you will see the percentage folder being created there. So all these DAX measures that we see, they are not formatted properly. So we can use the DAX formatter to format all my measures. So for that, we can go to Tabular Editor and there is a function called format DAX. Bracket open, and then here I am going to use the format DAX for all my measures. Model dot all measures and then bracket close. Okay, we're going to select this command line and then run the script. So it's calling the format DAX formatter for formatting all the DAX measures. So that has been done now. You can see that all the DAX measures have now been formatted. You can see there's a space added after the functions and everything there has been formatted using the DAX formatter. This you can see this in all the measures. If you want to see the same changes here, you have to save these changes to the data model, and then when you go back, you can see the changes applied to that. This is how you can have the tabular editor used for selected measures or all measures to apply the formatting, or have a display folder, or run through them to the DAX formatter to format all the DAX measures. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our channel to have more videos on these topics.